Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South, State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Start your cool season vegetables now to be prepared for the fall. Coming up on this edition of Year-Round Gardening. Even though we're still in the midst of summer, now's the time to start planning for planting your cool season vegetables. Here are some pointers you should consider for proper planting. There are a number of vegetables that do best during the fall. They include carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach. The reason we call these cool season crops is because they need cooler temperatures than crops you grow during the summer. They'll actually bolt or produce flower stalks at higher temperatures. When it comes to cool season crops, there are generally two types, hardy and semi-hardy. Semi-hardy crops can withstand a light frost of temperatures at roughly 30 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Hardy crops can survive temperatures as low as the 20s. Therefore, you should begin planting the crop based on what temperatures they can survive. Semi-hardy crops include beets, lettuce, radishes, and green onions. Hardy crops include cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and turnips. Check the seed packet to check how long it takes for the vegetable to reach full maturity. Then count backwards from the frost date to determine when to start planting.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated, and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South, State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.